Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva for graphic design projects, complete guide step by step clearly. First, begin by logging into your Canva account. If you don't have an account yet, create a free one using your email or social media. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Explore the templates available for various design projects, such as presentations, social media posts, and flyers. Next, select a template that aligns with your project requirements. After selecting a template, take a moment to customize the dimensions if necessary. To change dimensions, click on the Resize option at the top of the screen. Now, let's move to the Design Elements section. On the left sidebar, click on the Elements tab to access graphics, shapes, and icons. Browse or search for elements that fit your theme and drag them onto your canvas. Next, focus on the text elements by clicking on the Text tab. Choose from preset text combinations or add a text box to insert your own text. Modify the font style, size, and color to match your design theme. Adjust the layout by moving elements around for optimal visual flow. Now, let's explore the Background tab. Select a solid color or a pattern to set the mood for your design. To upload custom images, click on the Uploads tab and drag your images into the upload area. Once uploaded, drag your image onto the canvas and adjust its size as needed. Now, let's incorporate branding elements if applicable. Upload your logo through the Uploads tab and position it strategically. Next, familiarize yourself with the Photos tab for high-quality stock images. Search for relevant images and drag them onto your design. After arranging your elements, use the Position feature to layer your graphics. Select an element and right-click to send it forward or backward. To maintain design consistency, use Canva's Brand Kit feature if you have access. Set your brand colors, fonts, and logos for easy application across projects. Finally, review your design for any adjustments needed. Once satisfied, click the Download button at the top right to save your project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.